Happy birthday to you.
Sorry.
Happy
Notation.
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Dinangkal sa gadagbida. Thank you, Han. Thank you, boys. So, ganito dito guys, birthday. Kailangan i-treat yung celebrant. Dapat mag-enjoy, diba? Hindi yung gagasto. So, ngayon, yung Canadian in-laws ang tinitreat ako kami ng dinner. And then, yan ang, nila, hindi nila bitbitin yung cake sa restaurant. Nandito sila. So, yan ang gawain namin. Uwi kami para dessert. Ayan, cake time. Next weekend, iti-treat naman ako ng mga close friends. So, nandito sila. Nandito kami sa casino. Just have a dinner and disco. Why not, diba? Then, sa sunod naman ng araw, yung brother-in-law ko, tinitreat ako. Thank you, Tol. Punta kami sa Gusto. Yung sarap ng pagkain doon. Balik tayo doon, Tol. Mahal lang, pero masarap, no? Tingnan niyo, guys, ang aga-aga. Nagtaka yung asawa ko kasi dito siya sa garage dumaan. Sabi niya, may nakabitay. Ang aga, nakakahiya na. Sabi ko nga, pag out namin, huwag kayong magbitbit. Kasi kikibi naman. Tapos tinitreat naman usually ang celebrant. Hindi nga nagbitbit guys, dinadaan lang sa bahay ang aga-aga. Nakakahiya. Thank you guys. Ayan, Christmas na, decoration day. Ayan, family. Hinayaan ko lang ngayon, hindi kami mag-hosting. Sila nagtatapon lahat ng nila, decoration. Hinayaan ko na yung boys. New Year, Kev.
Hang on.
Hi everyone! So we're going to attend for yearly Filipino Community Christmas party. Ayun, nandun sila. Nandito kami, another location. So, 10 to 6 p.m. May mga bingo, may pa-games sa mga bata. Bazaar. Oh, may parking dito. Bazaar, daming pagkain. Pasok tayo. Asan ba tayo mag-parking na madali? Dito tayo para hindi na tayo backing up later. Para exit agad. Asan ba yan? Yan. So, dito tayo sa Filipino Christmas, yearly Christmas party year in. Hindi na katulad dati na iniba nila ngayon. But more on bazaar, pa-games. Alright, close the window, boys.
Close. I almost vomited.
Oh no, because you're reading. Sorry, I give you instruction to read your ear tag. Give Mama, the ear tag. I need to. You cannot leave that on the car. Oopsie. Not good. Bring your bag, but be careful the car. You go inhale, cow. Oh, inhale. Yeah, inhale, exhale. Feel vomiting daw siya kasi pinabasa ko pa naman sa instruction sa AirTag niya. Anyway, para ma-set up namin. Where's your bag? Bring your bag. Let's go. We're gonna eat for lunch. Ang ga-order, dinuguan now. Dinuguan!
Let's go.
Sisig! Anong ba? Masarap. Oops, my charger. Dito tayo. Ha? Sorry, Nak?
My windows are closed.
Oh, no. I need to do the car again. Just give me a second. That's fine. I'll just fix. It's open. Kami, watch out the parking, okay? Hold on a second. Hold on. Hirap pag I will on and then close. Because it's... Alright, let's go. A lot of Filipino, they're already full. Almost full parking now. Sunday dito, guys. What? December 1 mga yun? No, November 30. Okay, let's go, boys. Excited sila. Your bag. Bring the bag. Pick up the bag.
So.
You throw the instruction, bud. That's the instruction for the... Oh, that's French. I wonder he throw it's French. Ayun, tana. Bring... Alay, to na. Sorry. I didn't saw you. Natumbling na. Don't stay mama back, okay? I cannot see you. Sorry. You're okay? I was backing up. Let's go. Tayo na. Pasok na tayo. Pasok. Dali. Dito sa museum. Museum to, nakoy, not church, oy. Museum, oy. Excited sila. Dali, that's fine, you'll be fine. Naghana, share ko mamaya sa loob.
Game at 1:30. Prize is sponsored by Ate Joanne. Letra G. 59.
Oh, si Kevin, dalawa na lang ako. Kevin, oh, seryoso.
Letra N. 33. Sa letra O. Stage. Oh, go to the stage, kids. Go.
Go, Kevin.
Walk. Sige, starting with you. O, circle tayo, ha? Icon. Follow me, follow me. Follow, 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 follow. Follow, follow. 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 Ikot daw tayo. Ikot, ikot. Oops. Sorry, you're out. Okay. Okay. Walang iyakan, ha? Okay, kuya, go. Dance! You have to dance! If you don't dance, you're out!
Yeah, you got a prize. See, you got a
You have to dance!
Wow, thank you.
Move over here. Right here. Move kayo dito, dito, dito. Follow, 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 follow.
What?
Here,
You
yeah.
can dance. Grabe ni career na kini mo tanan ba murag isa ko mapati shoes. Go, grabe na ni.
Abutin talaga tayo.
Nag-business ba?
Kailangan gusto manalo.
Hi,
Natanggal ang isa. Parang lahat ito panalunin na natin. Alright, tuloy ang laban. Next. Galing kay paborito. Parol ulit. Galing ito kay paborito. Thank you, sister. Number 145-538-6. Salamat sa paborito Asian Market! Ang galing-galing naman! Sa wakas, Kuya Danny, sila papa na nasa sa ating galing. Mga BFFs natin. Shucks! Oh, ang crystal daw ay mabisa.
Grabe ang swerte talaga tong anak ko. Last year din nakabunot yung dalawang nabunutan.
Guys.
Nanalo siya ng 5 series map and vacuum guys. And then, yung $25 sa Walmart gift card along with the Rio Stone bracelet. O diba? Every year na tayo anak talaga naman.
Ayun, naka-pink jacket na naka-reindeer hat.
Grabe ang swerte talaga ang anak ko guys. Ayan ang ginagamit na niya. Nanalo na naman siya dalawang draw. Isa ang bingo tapos isa pala dito sa vacuum with map 5 series. Last year din nanalo din siya. Kaya every year kami punta swerte yun eh.